Kilo fait un moteur chocolat. Fine, fine, oh, baguette. Watch your love for like it. Why not more motor? Your body, chocolate. Bush it ready, yeah, imade. Double oscillate, kilo fait. Why now, my lady? Tell me where you there. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow. No finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they from say I too righteous. No con they from say you too like fun. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Come on, make you dance like Pong. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could you not my fantasy? What they check if my tap be no wrong. But it they rush well, it be much. Now go they make my tap be the rush. Time on you because, yeah. It they rush well, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. It's no done in the
Hey! Welcome to Punta Cana. I wish I could say it a lot louder, but I don't want to like draw more attention other than me having this big camera all in the air. But y'all, we have finally made it to Punta Cana. And y'all, I had a comment before I'm saying why you don't speak more Spanish. Well, baby, I will be speaking a little bit. I will be dropping a little bit Espanol a little bit sometimes. It's just like me being here, literally driving from the airport. Well, I wasn't driving, you know, the driver. I was like, this feel like Miami, but Caribbean vibes. Like Miami for real, but Caribbean. And then it was another point that felt like Cuba. But, you know, because for y'all that don't know, of course it's in the name, Doña La Cubana, but I'm Cuban. That's how I got my Spanish. And yeah, y'all, we are taking this family trip, and I am so excited, but I am so tired, y'all. I haven't ate nothing all day. I haven't even drunk water. Only thing that I've drunk was Sprite that Delta had gave us on the plane, and other than that, that's it. Like, my head is literally banging. I literally just ate about 20 olives, but that's all I've had in my system, and that is not gonna stop me, because I'm like, this week we're doing nothing but living it up. My sister likes to call it shaking booties. I'm not gonna shake my booty for free, but I will be having a good old time. And then next week, once I'm back in the States, then I can have all the headaches in the world if that's what it wants. Other than that, boom, we just here enjoying. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to have y'all. Let's just go, y'all. We're about to eat something at the steakhouse. Yeah, me and my sister, and I think my mom is gonna end up meeting us in here too if she finds a place. But yeah, y'all, let's go. My sister, it's her first time. It's not her first time drinking with me, but she's gonna be 21. Literally in the beginning of next one? I think next week. Girl, come on. Cheers. Yeah, it's not that bad.
You never thought you there from papa. With my money we never see before. Osello me got me feeling I'm the one. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just day my lane. Me no get the time but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could you not my fantasy? You want to check if my daddy.
Oh, we can just wait. Here we go. Oh, it's not even that cold. It just feels so good. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Wow. It is the next day. I am actually rushing to get ready, and this is some skin tint from, I literally don't know, but it's a sample because I was like, what the heck is my color? I actually will take something like glow, I don't know, but I actually like how this looks because I'm not tan yet, so I got a darker shade too just in case, but this looks so flawlessly. Like, look, it's like I don't even have nothing on. Okay, and just gonna put a little on the chin. I already got my sunscreen on, which is my Black Girl sunscreen, SPF 50. I'm gonna put this Frenchie. I had to dump so much, not dump it, but I switched it to another bottle because y'all was not gonna take it at TSA. I do not care. It smells so good. It smells like, you know, beach vibes. You can put this on your clothes, on you, and in your hair. Okay, put some topicals, lip gloss. Okay, got it. I'm gonna put these earrings that I've been having since forever and a year ago. Yeah, I got these earrings from Shein, I think back in 2021. And look how good they still look. Like, it has not tarnished still. Oh, that is so good. I think I never worn it though. So I'm just gonna put this on real quick. My hair looks so good still. Oh my God, I'm so proud. Okay, and let me give y'all a quick OTE. So this dress is Fashion Nova. I don't know the link of it. I don't know the link, but I will link down the Fashion Nova try-on haul that I had, and I'm pretty sure. And the link to this dress should be right on there because it's hard to find sometimes when it's, you know, it's been years. This dress is actually when I bought it back in 2021. Let me show you real quick. Hope y'all can see. Yeah, I had to get really far because it's like the stairs. I got this beach purse, and then I got these glasses just in case. These little sandals that I got from H&M, and we're ready to go, okay? We are ready to go. I don't even think I want to put these glasses on, but yeah. And then, y'all, this dress is not even supposed to be like this. It has a string, but it also looks good like this and like this. I'm just gonna have to be struggling the entire time. Body is T. Don't forget, I got videos on my gym routine. Yeah. Let's go, y'all. Why is this not focusing? Like, we got to put the light like this. There we go. Well. What? Y'all, I don't look like a... People be thinking I'm Dominican before I start talking in Spanish. You know, well, before I even say anything, people don't be thinking that I'm completely, like, American to say it like that. But they be like, before when they speak Spanish, before I even say anything in Spanish, they be like, oh, I thought you were Dominican. I don't think I'm Dominican, baby. Not to say that anything is bad with Dominicans. I know I look like I'm Cuban, baby. Just Cuban. Cuban. Let's go, y'all. We gotta go to another hotel, and we're gonna have breakfast there. They got us here. They trapped us. We doing the timeshare. They trapped us literally from the airport. Oh my God, yeah. I cannot believe this. All we did was just want to eat. They fooled us. I don't even think this is the hotel they showed us in the airport. But yeah, we all ready to go. And I seen that the hotel we staying at got a water park. So ooh, I'm so ready. And that's why I got these braids. That's why I got these braids, y'all, because I just feel like it's gonna give the look. When it get wet, this human hair is definitely gonna give the vibes. Like definitely give the Cuban mommy. Oh my god, can't wait to eat. Y'all, just like I'm ready to go. I don't even want to hear them talk because they're gonna say you're gonna save money, say this. No, do not fall for this trick, okay? Because as soon as they see you get off in the airport, the best thing to do is just to walk past them. From somebody who literally booked their own trips, the best way is to book it through why you look at me? It's to book it through the vacation website. Like, do not book it through booking.com, nothing. So book it through like Delta, American Express. I mean Delta. What's that? American Airlines. Just through the airlines because it's much easier. Do not fall for the trip, y'all. Do not fall for the trip. I booked it through Delta, but they stopped us at the airport. They stopped us at the airport.
Eso es una cosa y después te asustan con otra. Por ejemplo, esto.
¿Qué pasó?
Que dije cuando digo, sí, ya tengo algo.
Hi, boo. Go. She's giving up her personal business.
She is. I think it's right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Puedo coger jamón, queso, cebolla verde, un poquito de maíz y ya.
¿Sale pimienta?
Sí, sal.
¿Pimienta no?
No.
¿Sale pimienta? No, yo tenía un canal, estaba pequeñito, y después que crecí, mis amigos me encontraron
Ajá.
y me empezaron a hacer bullying,
Ajá.
y yo lo borré.
¿Por qué?
Estaba cringe.
Gracias. De Cuba, claro. Yeah, so listen, this is why the food tastes so much better because they literally have authentic stuff. Beehive, like beef roll, that's how the food tastes so much better. I'm telling you. Don't put your hair right there because people put their butts on there. I know you don't want people farts on you.
You still put the hat on right here.
I didn't even show you all the back of my dress. But right now, y'all, they got us in hostage. Yeah. This room is not talking about woo, y'all. Don't fall for it. I'm just telling you. Hold on. I got some. Hey y'all, so we are back at the resort and we're about to do water events. We're about to do like the water parasailing. It's gonna be my first time ever doing that. I know it's not gonna be anything like when I had skydived, but it gave me like the skydive vibe, you know, because the parachute. Yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. But look at this water, y'all. It is so blue. When the water's so blue. Oh my goodness. Can y'all tell? I definitely got darker. Woo. For your dear life. Woo! Uh-oh. No, ma'am. We not drunk enough. Woo! We going whatever this is called, parasailing. Is this parasailing? Go say I'm like
Parasailing.
oh, it's parasailing! Yay! Look, Jay.
Oh, no. No, wait.
Uh-oh!
Okay.
You got it, Jay. You got it.
We say I love soca. Say I love soca.
Okay. All right, y'all. So we are back after a couple of hours. Y'all, that parasailing was literally, it wasn't, okay, so it wasn't that bad, but it was scary when you just feel the tug, you feel the wind. I will do it again, but I don't know. I need to build up the courage once again. But I just did my makeup. It is time to go eat. I did a quick makeup. It was not even supposed to be like this, y'all. It was supposed to be just some skin tint and ready to go. But I was like, you know what? I'll probably take some pictures. So why not? I have this Kylie lip gloss and there. You know, I've been having this lip gloss for, well, I just got this one. But, because I ran out. I had two different. This one is actually in the shade 319 Diva, and the other one was Coco or K Coco, something like that. And y'all, this is just so cute. Yeah, I was trying to find like another substitute for the Kylie because I honestly just needed like lip gloss for this trip, but I just couldn't find it. I needed something like high gloss, and there is just like nothing like Kylie's. Like, when I tell you this is so good, and if y'all have the red one, y'all, the red one, it was so hard. I just tried it on my hand. It was so hard to get off my hand. We're gonna go to the Japanese restaurant today. It, of course, is downstairs, but I want to show y'all real quick what I have on. So I got these earrings. Yeah, everything was like so last minute. So I got these earrings from Forever 21, but this is like, I guess, the Bottega dupes. The Bottega, yeah, the Bottega dupes. And if you want to wait on Amazon, you can, but listen, Forever 21 had them. There's a little bit, there's some smaller ones and a bigger ones. Actually, let me show y'all. Never mind. I can't find them right now. But, yeah, so we got this JBW watch in gold, y'all. Remember when I told y'all that they had sent me this? What? This is actually, I only got 2 watches right now because, you know, I stopped wearing the other ones that I had before. But this is one of my favorite watches. Then I got my Pandora rings and this Fashion Nova dress. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, 2 seconds. So this Fashion Nova tiger dress, I will link the try-on haul that I had this dress on. Like I had said before, I don't know exactly if the dress is still like in stock, but I do know the link is in that video. As soon as you click that video, you can just go to the description and I put tiger dress because that's what it's called. Like, look at the print, y'all. This is so cute. It is like mesh. It definitely fit the vibes. Like, it definitely fit the vibes right now. But my mom, my brother, and my sister, I think my brother's down there, they are waiting on me, so it is time to go, and I'll see y'all at the Japanese.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun.
Let's try it, y'all. It's, I don't know what it tastes like, a wonton.
I would say a dumpling. It's a dumpling.
It tastes like something, a dumpling, wonton. Is that what he was saying? Tell her.
What was he saying?
Que esas nalgas están buenas or something like that. You heard me. No? Esas nalgas están buenas or something like that. Something about your butt cheeks. I'm like, he could not have been no more than 8 years old. He was a kid saying that. Huh? No, he was Dominican. You could tell he was Dominican. He was a Dominican little baby. Why are you 5 years old telling a grown lady? No. He was saying to us.
Oh, he was talking to us?
Yes, that's what he gave me. It was like, he was saying, ladies, y'all got some nice numbers. That's the part that was shocking me.
That's what he said. A child predator.
Where's their mamas? Dessert time. Oh, I don't like that face.
The texture of it, I don't think y'all gonna like it.
Y'all, look at it. Okay, hold on.
Wait, how should we make my tummy burn? Is it sticky? It's not sticky. It's not sticky. It's not sticky like
That, I'm gonna leave this for them. No ma'am, that tastes like lime, lemon. Yeah, look at the bottom. Like,
it is. Alright, I'm done.
it's lemon.
No, I don't know what it is. Hold on.
Mommy, we don't have to eat this.
No.
Let's go. Come on.
I'm not gonna eat nothing. Come on.
No ma'am, come on. Let's go take these pictures. When we was eating, and I am tired. We are having a photo shoot in Plain O, and we keep having people stop by and like somebody just fell down right here, trying to get attention while we taking literally pictures. This is my time, okay? This is my time to shine. My pictures look good, but actually the pictures are on here, on the camera, so. Y'all wanna see, you know where to go. Instagram, Dune Lacubana. Okay, well, my feet hurt. I have on heels.
To the room so everybody can rest and recharge.
And we're gonna go back
like
to the
my
room,
phone.
rest, recharge, and
Charge J phone.
deheat. And
okay.
Today is the next day, y'all. So yesterday when I was taking these pictures, I thought I lost an earring while I was taking the picture. Turns out I never even had put it on. I only put the left one on. The pictures turned out really cute. But before I even got to take my pictures, my camera had fell. Y'all, I'm thinking the camera was done. I'm thinking the camera was out of here. No, good thing the camera lens did not crack, not one bit. So thank you. Thank you so much. Then, let me see what else. Anyway, so today we're gonna go to the beach and have like, I don't wanna say a beach day because it's gloomy out here. So they said that usually in the month of May, it is very gloomy. But I do not be complaining, y'all. I have not got that dark, but I still got a little bit kissed by the sun. I don't mind being a little bit kissed, like a little pet. But if it comes to being burnt, no thank you. So we're gonna have like a beach time, a beach moment, a beach montage. And then, I don't know, gotta meet up with my mom and my sister to see what the heck. Because what I wanna do is go to the beach. So today's beach outfit is, wait, let me go back up. Okay, so we got this Forever 21 bathing suit, y'all. It is super cute. I like to call it caca green. This is like the caca green color. And then it got this, it's kind of like beige, tannish, but not super tan. Pants, super loose. I think this is in a size medium. Bathing suit is a size small. This is a purse. Oh, that's what happened. My bag broke yesterday carrying it too. It's just be so much going on. At least I had this bag since 2021, so I'm not even too mad at it. But this bag, I'm pretty sure this bag is probably like from Shein back, you know, when I just said 2021. Let me see what else I got on. Oh, y'all, tell me why these glasses receive so much hate. My mama, my sister, and my boyfriend talking about something. These look too big on my face. Y'all, please look. I feel like these look just fine. Like, I like the color. I like the caca brown color on this. And it looks good. Like, I'm really going for a earth tone vibe. Oh, and let me show y'all the shoes, y'all. So these shoes are the left shoe. Oh my God, look at all this hair. And I'm pretty sure this is my hair. Anyway, so are literally like comfortable on the left, on my left foot, and on my right foot is so uncomfortable. I got these shoes from H&M. It was on sale too. Like, that's the perfect thing. But that's what I'm going for, the earth color tone vibes. And I also want to get some pictures. And I got this, what's this called? The Polaroid, because I want to get like some Polaroid pictures too, see how that comes out. I really want to see how the vibes outside. Because right here inside, to me, from the camera, it don't look that bad. I actually look like, you know, a little bit of tan. I really want to see what I look like outside. So let's go, y'all.
Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto.
And it's lunchtime. Oh my goodness, y'all, look. We got olives, rice, pork, rice. Not again. Yeah. Anyway. Beans, rice, pork, rice, olives, and ham. Oh. My mom said, oh, yeah. This is how real vanilla ice cream is supposed to look like. It's supposed to be green. Food, dog, 10 out of 8. 8 out of 10. There's some stuff that's just not hate. I'm not mad at it. Super hard.
Esta tenía dulce vainilla con más bizcocho.
Okay? Mommy said that that's real coconut. I mean, real chocolate. That's salt too.
Así sale el arroz, ¿no? Así sale el arroz.
The rice is good too.
Ese niño para que coma. Creo que ellos cerran a las 3. Para que después sea restaurante.
Good morning. Well, actually, I think it's like 2 o'clock. So, good afternoon, y'all. How y'all doing? Y'all, I have not checked in today because, well, this morning, because y'all hear my voice, it sounds so raspy. It sounds so, literally. But today, we're doing the ATVs. And I am so excited, y'all. I love doing ATVs. I have never gotten like super duper dirty like how they did. Like how they doing, like, you know, in the pictures. I want to get that at least one time. All the times I've done ATV has been like dry ATV. I'm trying to get down, dirty, country girl, you know? So I'm trying to see how long it's gonna take us. And I really don't know what exactly the ATV, you know, you can ride around, but I don't know what else, like if we're going to a cave or something, which I really don't know. But we're just here for the vibes, here for the rides, and let's go. Okay, y'all, so we're back. That ATV, y'all, it was fun, but we had to wait a lot. Like, we had to wait before we even got to the ATV to ride the ATVs. Then we had to basically wait on being dropped off. But we just got back and basically rushed to get ready. Y'all, I brought this because one is almost done, but it smells so good. This is Jimmy Choo. And I know TSA was not going to take this away because, I mean, it is 3.3 anyway. But I knew they wanted to take it away because look how small it is. So that's why I was like, yeah, this is going to be the perfume that I'm going to take. So, it smells so good. You okay? Whew. I'm so tired of this tripod. Okay, I'm going to put topical lip gloss. We're doing a no makeup today, y'all. Like, I'm so tired. You can see a little bit of bags, but whatever. Like, I really just want to go to sleep. But I told myself, no sleep. I'll sleep when I get home. Okay, ready? I got these earrings that I had earlier in the beginning of the vlog. I have these bangles that I also got for Forever 21. And this dress from Mika's. And it has the slits. Very cute. It's mesh. So, of course, it's going to be linked down in the description. And y'all, let's go eat. I actually need to eat like some meat. And I think red meat will make me feel a lot better. I don't know why. It's so cold in here that maybe this is why I'm losing my breath. Maybe this is why I'm losing my voice too. See, it just sounds so stank, y'all. I just cannot stand it. But let's go eat. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la Hey y'all, so I'm so sorry for my voice, y'all. I'm really trying not to talk, but I have to talk for y'all. So it is basically our last day. It is Sunday. Like, I wish, I was thinking to myself, it need to be like, if you're gonna spend 6 days, the travel day 2 and then leaving cannot count. So you want to be 6 days there, it has to be like 8 days total, because this just don't make no sense. I'm technically not ready to leave. Yeah, and then let me tell y'all real quick before I show y'all what I have on. My tummy hurt, y'all. I've been eating and I just had one too many plates. My tummy literally hurt, but I cannot let that stop me. Like, I'm still in Dominican Republic, so I still have to turn up. I still have to eat. I have to eat for everybody right now, you know. And then when I get back to the United States, then that's when I'm gonna, hit the gym harder. Cause y'all, let me tell you, oh my goodness, I had put on this cover up, and my booty was poking. Okay, like my booty was out. I said, oh my gosh, I did not. Oh my god, that sounds so scary. But I'm like, oh my goodness, I cannot believe my butt got so big, y'all. Hard work and dedication, hard work and dedication. We are gonna go have our last dinner in Dominican Republic. Yeah, my hair, I've gotten in the pool, like in the water park, so many times. Like, that chlorine water was really defeating me. The actual salty water, the ocean water, beach water, that water did not really hit my hair that bad. But that chlorine, listen, I no longer have, the cute boho. No, I have boho braids, okay? Which is really cute. Like, it look cute still, but you could just tell. You could just tell. I like it a little bit until like, right now I like it because my edges are laid. But if my edges are not laid, y'all, the black side really be coming out really hard, like hard and strong. But yeah, y'all, so let me show y'all real quick what I have on. And my camera has failed 3 times. I'm sick and tired of this tripod. I just wanted to say that. So if y'all are doing videos and got on YouTube, y'all got this tripod, the tripod that is literally like flexible, throw it away. Go get you another one. And get you another one that is not flexible like this. Because literally in about a year or 2, it's going to be too flexible and it cannot hold up a camera. So I have my cheetah dress. I feel, like Dominicans always be like, oh, yo soy un tigre, yo soy un tigre. Okay, I am a cheetah. Okay? I'm a cheetah today. And really, like, when they say that means they look good. Okay? They be calling themselves like the best looking ever. Like, do not, if you are in the dating market, y'all, do not talk to a Dominican, because they're literally gonna compete with you. They'll be like, oh yeah, you look good, but I look better. That's what they're gonna tell you. I'm not playing. Now, so I got this fashionable dress. Remember, link gonna be down in the description. It has this cutouts, really cute. Give me like Caribbean vibes, and I can't wait to take some pictures. I got these bangles things from Forever 21, and I'm gonna pair it. Oops. Okay. I'm gonna pair it with these black heels by unanimous votes. They said that the black, my mom said that the gold shoes would give her Hialeah, Miami Hialeah, and one thing I'm not trying to look like is Hialeah, okay? No, thank you. Oh, I forgot, y'all. I forgot. And these earrings that I've been wearing, and I absolutely love the Bottega dupes from Forever 21 too. Like, if you need something in a rush, I feel like Forever 21 is literally gonna get you where you need to go. That is all, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this Dominican Punta Cana vlog. If you liked anything in this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at Doña La Cubana. Link will be down in the description. Also, everything that I got on will be down in the description. I will put the hotel details and everything in the description, okay? And then I say, if you liked it enough, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, if you liked it enough, subscribe to the channel. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye.